Hello and welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you to make a pinhole camera obscura with using a few simple materials, mainly recycled trash. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a large metal can, a rubber band, wax paper, and a large yogurt pot. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is take the large metal can, and what I need to do is find the center of the can. Simply make two lines going across the can, going both directions. And there, X marks the spot. Right there is my center. Next, I'm going to take a drill and make a small pilot hole. There we go. And now I have a little pilot hole, and I'm going to take this nail and simply drive the nail through the hole. There we go, and it should look just like this. And there, now I have my pinhole. Next, what I'm going to do is take some wax paper and cut out a large square, place it over the opening of the can, and now take a rubber band, press down the paper to make sure it's nice and flat, and the rubber band will hold the paper in place. And there, the project is now complete. Now let's go test it out. And now looking through a bright window, and you can see the imprint of the window on the wax paper, and you can see the window is upside down. Next, what I need to do to improve it is I'm going to go and take this yogurt pot, place it over it, and doing this will make the inside part darker, which makes it easier to see the imprint that is on the wax paper. Take this 3-volt button cell battery, place it in the center, and then just simply trace around it. And now, take a X-Acto knife and cut it out. And there we go, and now I have my hole. All you have to do is just look inside the hole and you can see the imprint better. Now a second test, and as you can see, this works a lot better. However, I can make one more improvement. Next, what I'm going to do to improve this, I'm going to take some black spray paint and spray the inside of these two objects. Doing this will make the inside even darker. And there, it should look just like this. And I'll do a third test. And as you can see, it's a much better improvement. And a much bigger improvement without using the yogurt pot. You can definitely see the imprint a lot better. And now let's make another test outside, and as you can see, without using the yogurt pot, you barely can see the image, because the outside is too bright for the wax paper. Taking the yogurt pot makes it easier to see the image, because it blocks out all of the light from the outside, and you can just simply look through the hole, and you can see the image better. Unfortunately, the camera makes it too blurry. With a camera, it doesn't work very well. Using your own eyes will be a lot better and easier to see. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own DIY pinhole camera obscura with using a few simple materials, mainly recycled trash. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.